Hi everyone, this is Shauna with theultimatemeaning.com coming to you today with my faith and gratitude, and today I'm actually at a really special site in Mexico. As you can see behind me, there's a circular pyramid. It is the only one of its kind in the world. Now there's pyramids in Egypt and everything, and I've seen those, but this is very special. So today my gratitude is archaeologists, because you know, all of this was covered over by like hills and like dirt and brush and everything, and the archaeologists are the ones that take the time, the painstaking time to like dig it out and show us all these things that are here. So I'm so grateful for them, and it's such a cool sight to see a circular pyramid it's older than, you know, Chichen Itza. It's older than those. It's like, you know, we think about 3,000 years old approximately, but who knows, you know, like we're not sure the history, of course, we can never be definitive. And the second is, I have faith that we will learn our history through all of these sites, that we will learn the history of where we came from and how we, you know, began as a civilization, and, you know, through all of that we will learn our history and probably find out that it's a little bit different than we think. So please share with me your faith and gratitude for the day, and post this video to share with friends, or, you know, if you've ever been to the circular pyramid, I'd love to hear about it. And I'll just show you another photo of it. Give you a little bit of the scenery. So, have a great day, everybody. Bye.